Welcome to Comfort Scan Mobile by Dr. Comfort. Scan, fit, comfort anywhere. With Comfort Scan Mobile, the only device you'll need is an iPhone or iPad. Let's walk through the simple steps to capture your patient's foot scans anywhere, anytime. To get started, you'll need a Dr. Comfort website login. This will be the account on drcomfort.com/business that you use to log into the website and place orders. If you do not have this, click the link below that says click here and complete the form. For devices, you have a few options: an iPad Pro, an iPhone that supports Face ID, or if you don't have this, you can use a structure camera and iPad. Finally, the Comfort Scan Mobile app. Search the App Store for Comfort Scan Mobile. Start by logging into your drcomfort.com/business account. On the Dr. Comfort website, you can do this with your iPad, iPhone, or even a PC. Once on the dashboard, click Place an Order, which will take you to the Quick Order screen. Type the first 4 letters of the shoe you're ordering and click on the shoe. A window will pop up where you can make your shoe selection. Click the box for custom inserts and scroll down to enter the patient's name. When done, press Select. Verify the shoe is correct and click Add to Cart. Once you see it's been added to the cart, click View Cart. Here you will notice a red box indicating the scans for the inserts need to be attached. When you're ready to scan, click Add. A new window will pop up. If you're using your iPad or iPhone, all you need to do is click the Go To App link. If you're using a computer, you'll need to get out your iPhone or iPad to scan the QR code. Once you've clicked on the link or scanned the QR code, you'll be taken directly to the Comfort Scan Mobile app. You should see your patient's name and the gender of the shoe you selected. Click on the circle on the right or left foot. If you're using an iPhone, you'll need to click on an arrow at the bottom right of the screen to get to this page. You'll be given 3 options. The foot with the box around it is to scan a foam impression. The foot without the box is for scanning the plantar surface of the foot. And the shoe with the hammer is for ordering a shoe modification without custom inserts. If you're ordering a shoe modification in addition to custom inserts, scan the feet first and add the shoe modification order form with your custom insert order form. From here, click Start and get ready to scan. A window will pop up with a scanning tutorial. Scan the first foot and the second foot if there is one. Remember, you are scanning with the front-facing camera. You may want to practice a few times to get the hang of the positioning. Once done, you can annotate your scans and even take a picture of the patient's feet, but this is not required. Finally, complete the order form. The most common is the custom insert form. Here you will find your account and patient information is already populated in the form. You can check the box for quantity of inserts and select your material. If nothing is marked, our lab will follow the default options listed on the form. If using an iPhone, you'll likely need to zoom in for this. Save the form when you're done. Click the Cloud button at the top, and you'll be taken back to the cart within seconds. You'll know your upload was successful when you see the green box. From here, you can add additional patients or go ahead with the checkout process. And that's it! Scan, fit, comfort anywhere.